Wow. Beautiful country.
Countryside.
Hello you guys, we just parked, so we're getting out of the car and get some food, which is super essential. I'm so hungry right now, so I am so excited. Look what we got.
Is that popcorn chicken?
I want to show you what we got. I got, well, we're gonna like share this, but I got some fruit and an omelet, and this is the chicken and waffles. I've actually never had chicken and waffles.
Well, it's a Thai style.
Hershey is looking cool, and she, thank you.
Thank you.
She got a waffle.
Thai style, by the way.
With the
Thai
berries.
style? Oh, you got an omelet with some potatoes. Thank you. I'm excited. Oh my god, it looks so good. We came to Beverly Hills. We're looking for a bathroom. But we're looking for a bathroom, and we just went up so many stairs. We're out of breath. We're walking to the outside of the Beverly Hotel because we've never been there. We want to take some photos. This is the big camera, and then I'm holding the vlog camera. And then I'm holding my own bag, so the commitment is real. That was really rude. We're being little tourists. Photographer.
Shitographer?
No, I said photographer and the model.
I heard shitographer.
We took some pictures with the sign. You're not allowed to take photos over like the main road, so we didn't do that. But we took some photos here.
Actually, your turn, bro.
Hello, it is much later. We took a little car nap in the car. It's 5:42. I changed into this dress that I brought, and then she changed. I'll show you guys her outfit because it's so cute. But we're at the LACMA museum. We're gonna take some photos there, and then we're gonna go. Francisco really wants to see the hotel Cecil, I think it's called, from the outside though. I don't want to go inside. If you watch the documentary, then you know why I don't want to go inside. But that's the update for now. I'll show you guys. I've never been here, so I'm excited. We're just gonna take pictures at the little lights, so I'm excited. I'm excited. Oh my god. This is really funny. There's another little bunny. Oh, he's so cute! It has a little pom-pom. I don't know where he went. Oh, he left. Oh, he ran over there. He got scared. I'm here. Cecil's pretending to take photos. Or he is taking photos. It looks so cool. It looks super cool. You know, I always thought, like, you imagine something different than when you're actually here. I felt like for some reason I thought this was like bigger, but
It is different.
it looks so cool. And it's free, so perks.
Tripod is not allowed, ma'am.
Oh,
You could only use by the sidewalk.
oh, okay, sorry. There's a huge ass rock. It's so huge. See it right under. That looks cool though. That looks cool.
Oh, it's like a different.
I like this view. This view is cool. We're going to the rooftop and they've never been here, so I'm excited.
I'm excited.
I'm excited for you to see the view.
Roof.
To the right, to the right.
Welcome.
Look at this beauty.
Oh my gosh, how freaking cute!
Isn't it so cute? Good morning. No, good night. It is 11 right now, and we just got home, and you know, plans didn't go as expected. But we got food, and my arm hurts so much. I don't even know from what. I think I have a bruise.
Were you sleeping on it like this?
I don't remember.
Do some like ornament
Oh,
stretches.
also, my mascara looks so bad. We were playing like, you know, strong songs, and I was over here like crying at the stars, you know.
I need to stretch.
Hershey has a laugh attack. I think we're both. Something's wrong with my arm.
It's too.
Look at this style right
I look like I just came out of like I don't even know.
This is the new
Countryside.
style.
It's okay. It's okay. Do some stretches.
No, I can't move it like that. I don't know what's wrong with it. I think I have a bruise.
Where? Wait, is that what you got your shot? No. Where's it hurt?
Like here.
Is that what you got the shot? It shouldn't hurt now because you got it a while ago.
No, I got it on my left.
This is your
Wait.
right.
Yeah, I don't know.
You're
I forgot. Good morning. We're checked out. I was really stressed because I didn't want to get in trouble. Because checkout time was at 10 and it is 10. We're just closing down. Oh, thank you. Allergies. We are probably going to go to the beach, but first I need to go bathroom, so we're gonna go find a bathroom. Gonna go get some food.
I don't have allergies like that.
I need. Oh, I have water. Never mind.
Allergies aren't that
That's
bad.
the update. Ooh! Oh my gosh! This is so pretty. Yeah, it does.
the pathway? No.
No. It's so pretty.
Private.
Water. Look at all that water. Oh my gosh. Look at all this food. This is the first meal of the day then. Place. Me and Cecil didn't get anything because we were full, but Hershey and Francisco got something. I want to show you what they got. It looks good. This is the place. You can't even see it, but let me see. Can I see what you got? Oh my god!
Gorgeous. Just look at that.
Look at the frosting. Damn, you didn't get any frosting? You don't like it? Too sweet? Hey guys, we just arrived home. I look so crazy. I fell asleep in the car for like pretty much most of the ride. But it's like 7, so it's actually not like dark yet. It's like sunset time. But we are going to unpack and probably do our groceries. We need to do that and prep for the week because there's a new week tomorrow. It is Monday. It is the first official like week of May. So I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and I'll see you guys very soon in my next one. Bye guys.